Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that I'm sure many of you have experienced: haters. You know, those people who leave nasty comments on your videos, who dislike your content, who try to make you feel bad about yourself. How do you deal with them? How do you not let them affect your mood and your motivation? Well, I have some advice for you that has helped me a lot over the years. First of all, remember that haters are not your audience. They are not your fans, they are not your friends, they are not your supporters. They are just random strangers on the internet who have nothing better to do than to spread negativity and hate. They don't know you personally, they don't know your story, they don't know your goals. They are just projecting their own insecurities and frustrations onto you. So don't take their words personally. Don't let them define you or your worth. Secondly, focus on the positive feedback. For every hater, there are hundreds of people who love your videos, who appreciate your work, who support your journey. They are the ones who matter. They are the ones who deserve your attention and gratitude. So whenever you see a hateful comment, just ignore it and move on to the next one that is positive and uplifting. Or better yet, disable the comments altogether if they bother you too much. You don't owe anyone an explanation or a response. Thirdly, use the hate as fuel. Instead of letting the haters discourage you or make you quit, use their negativity as motivation to prove them wrong. Show them that you are stronger than they think, that you are more talented than they believe, that you are more successful than they can imagine. Use their hate as a challenge to improve yourself and your content. Make them eat their words. And finally, be yourself. Don't let the haters change who you are or what you love to do. Don't let them dictate what kind of videos you should make or what kind of topics you should cover. Don't let them influence your style or your voice. Be authentic, be original, be creative. Be yourself and be proud of it.